If you're looking to build a subscription system in LearnWorlds, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a subscription model in LearnWorlds, the online course platform, so you can start monetizing your content right away. Let's dive straight in. First things first, log in to your LearnWorlds admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the store section. You'll find all your pricing options, and this is where you'll be creating your subscription plan. Next thing, click on Pricing Plans on the left sidebar. This is where you can create and manage all of your pricing plans. Select Add New Pricing Plan, and here you'll be able to define whether it's a subscription-based plan or a one-time payment. The third thing, you'll see options for setting the payment frequency. This is where you'll configure your subscription model. You can choose from monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscriptions. Think about your audience and what would make sense for them. Monthly plans are often great for people who want flexibility, but annual plans can give you a bigger upfront payment. Now, the fourth thing is pricing. Here, you'll define how much you want to charge. Keep in mind that this will vary based on your course's value. One nice feature of LearnWorlds is the ability to offer discounts on your subscription plans. You can even apply coupon codes at this stage if you want to offer special deals to your audience. Next, you'll need to define your access levels. LearnWorlds allows you to set which courses or content your subscribers can access once they sign up. You can assign access to specific courses, memberships, or entire catalogs depending on what kind of subscription you're offering. The sixth thing, don't forget to set up payment methods. LearnWorlds integrates with several popular payment gateways, including Stripe and PayPal. This step is crucial so that your subscribers can easily make payments without any hitches. After you've configured everything, save your plan and test it. Make sure everything works smoothly by going through the sign-up process yourself. This will help you spot any issues before your users experience them. But here's the catch, LearnWorlds can sometimes feel a bit rigid, especially when compared to other platforms that allow for more customization, especially if you're after a more robust subscription setup. Some users feel that LearnWorlds subscription features are somewhat limited, particularly when it comes to creating tiered pricing or offering advanced upsells. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you're looking for more flexibility, I've got a great recommendation for you. Stick around because I'll share software that beats LearnWorlds when it comes to subscription models with a more intuitive setup and even better features. Trust me, you'll want to hear about this. At this point, if you're still set on LearnWorlds, I want to remind you that through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. But I'm also including some amazing alternatives that offer a more tailored experience for creating subscriptions. These platforms not only offer free trials, but also have the flexibility that LearnWorlds might lack, which could make all the difference for your subscription goals. So, if you're serious about building a subscription business around your courses, don't miss out on that link. Check it out for the best free trial and exclusive perks available only to our viewers. And with that, hope this tutorial helps you get started with LearnWorlds or pushes you to try the alternatives that I've mentioned. Thanks for watching.